Alright, yeah, we're going in here. We're going to bowl for 3 hours. So, yeah, it's going to be a blast. But let's go get this, guys. Alright, now it's Carmen's time. What kind of silly one are you going to do, Carmen? Yes. She's licking the ball. You know what's going to be on. Okay, go ahead. It's all right. You got enough time.
Yep.
I didn't know I was gonna say it. You know, something that's in the counter. That's just recording little old man. Hello, is anybody in there? It's haunted. Is it rigged or what? You think it's rigged? You think it's rigged?
Yes.
Okay.
I got like 2.
Carmen bowling again. This is a little New Year's Eve video. Okay, go ahead. Oh, that got us right. I didn't record it. I was fixing to. You got a strike to everybody. Look.
I got a strike.
Oh. I got it too late too, but you got a strike. So what happened to old granny shot? No, only on last one. Let's see. I was getting my camera ready. Yeah. Getting the camera ready to record these. It's fine. Well, look over here. Jana, got asked to do a TikTok for somebody. That's sweet. Alright, let me get this last one done. Right there. Peace. Alright, well, we just coming out of the bowling. Had 3 hours of bowling for, how much was it? For $30, less than $30. So we had a blast. Fixing to go to the store, get some goodies for the night, and yeah. We're gonna go watch Jumanji. So, Happy New Year, guys.
I'm shaking now.
Hey, are y'all cold? So what y'all think about the movie?
Good.
We ain't gonna spoil it though. I won't spoil it. You know. Alrighty.
Imagine like I said the whole movie and you had to bleep me out like I was saying 40 million cuss words.
Yeah,
Can we
it's a
understand?
little bit more language, wasn't there? So, we're just gonna be watching Jumanji and we're gonna go get some pizza. Alright, let's go. Pizza grub time. Here we go. Alright. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Hey.
Gosh.
Look at that. Now, is that a pizza or what?
That is throw up.
Try it.
No thanks.
Try it. You might like it. I said try it. You might like it. Try it. Is it good? She eats
These
that.
are good.
Eat it. I want to see you eat it.
Hold on, I have food in my mouth.
Okay.
This is more awkward than
She eats them too.
Do you eat them too?
Yeah. I sucked the juice out of them.
This is the pizza mukbang.
See this? This is mushroom. Just look at it.
That is. That's all you can do is look at it. All right.
Look. I got some
Huh. Oh yeah. Got some dip.
garlic. That's good right there.
How about you? Look at that. Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? You finished it. All right. Now I'm gonna eat. Oh, here's mine.
Just look at it.
His is disgusting.
Oh, mine is delicious. It's the works. It is delicious. Well, let's eat as we watch the new year come in. And probably play some games or something.
Yeah.
So. All right, this is our stuff we're divvying out. Divvying. What is it? What is it? What is it? How you say it? Yeah. What is it?
They're little things, and like you throw them on the ground, they pop. Do not throw them at each other.
Oh, dang it.
And yes, I know my hair looks crazy.
It's fine. What you got over there, Conan? Let's see what you got.
Same thing, she's got the poppet stuff.
We have a mini and big little thing that comes out.
I don't know what these are. These are snap things.
Huh. We'll figure it out. My throat's breaking.
Yeah, these.
Okay. And this is our little New Year's goodies. We live in North Carolina, so it's, you can't shoot fireworks off.
We have to stay legal.
Stay within the rules. That's all right. We'll still have fun with it. All right. Well, we'll take you into the new year. Well, we'll come back in a minute.
See you next year.
Yep. See you next year, guys. Like my hat, it is 40 seconds. Well, less than 40 seconds until.
It's Thursday.
And there's Janice, she's doing her video. Alright, let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Confetti. Should we do the confetti?
Yeah.
We're gonna take it outside and do the confetti. I guess it's confetti. Yeah, this is it.
Yep.
Come on, let's go. Listen to that. Did you hear that? Some of that's gunshots, some of it's fireworks.
Gosh, it's freezing out here.
I don't know if I got Carmen in her hat. There's Carmen's hat. I don't want to shine the light in her eye.
I don't know how to do this.
Just Jana's hat. Yeah, that's a little confusing. You might want to do it out there just in case it. The spotlight's on you.
Freezing out here. I don't like it.
It ain't cold.
Oh my gosh! Tell him to shut up, Carmen.
Gosh, listen to that. Happy New Year.
Whoa, smoke came out.
Yeah, it does. Got a little bit of party mess here.
Ready? Watch.
3. Oh! At least you can do mine, Carmen, if you want. I just record y'all, okay? I just record y'all having fun.
You ready, y'all?
Gall, y'all.
Wait. Ah!
Oh!
Woo!
Alright.
Freezing.
Oh, yeah, that might be pretty good.
It's freezing
Hope everybody had
What?
a
Fire.
wonderful and happy New Year. Whoa! You trying to kill me?
Watch out.
Gosh. Whoa.
How do you do it?
You gotta take the string, remember?
Don't do it at us, please.
You can use record me with it. You got it?
Yep. Whoa!
Ugh.
There you go.
Let's do ours at the same time, Carmen.
Okay.
Try again. Take two. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Just broken it. Ugh.
I think it's haunted. That's why it done that. It's haunted.
You gonna record me?
Huh? Yeah. Okay, if you're gonna do that, I'm gonna put the light away so to show the sparks.
3, 2, 1.
I think I got it. That was good. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the New Year's celebration and a few things that we showed you throughout the day. That's going to be in the video. So, yeah, you guys have a happy New Year. And do you guys got anything to say?
I'm sleepy.
You sleeping? What about you? You cold?
Chick-fil-A.
All right, guys. Y'all have a happy New Year. See you guys on the next video.